We were watching it on our TV, and my husband bought this large TV to see him full.
It was always my dream of playing the beautiful game.
His dad encouraged him since he was a footballer.
So he used to play for clubs like Mafatlal, Metal Box, and he played some professional football in Mumbai.
He wanted one of his sons to become a footballer.
And I think he got successful and got his dream come true when he saw youngest one achieving the dream of his.
First he used to play in the fields with barefoot, no shoes. He didn't wanted any shoes, just go play, come back.
My favorite team used to be Salgaocar Sports Club, and Bruno Coutinho was my idol. Any match that was Salgaocar or any other team along with against Salgaocar, my father would take me all the way to Fatodda to watch the match and get me back from the stadium. Okay, shall we start? I think in 1997 I started my football career. I was in a nuns convent that's called Lutz Convent High School, where there is no football culture. When I joined Montedigiri High School in 1997, I purely joined the school with hope that I will make it big in football one day. When I joined the academy, I was 16, 17 years old, and it was a very young age for me, I felt at that point of time.
He wanted me and his dad to come and visit him every week. Though he was getting very good food there, he wanted something from home, and Dad would give him some pocket money and come back.
I think I was away from home and I was a bit homesick for a while, but as days went by, I started playing, I started improving myself. The knowledge through Vishwas Gaonkar coach and Anthony D'Souza at that point of time, I think it was like a family bonding, first of all. And I think when you have a family strong unit together, it also helps you to perform and to give your best. We must have heard a lot about Tata Football Academies and now the Reliance Foundation having a setup in Mumbai, Bangalore. But I think for us Goans, we have a platform for young boys from Goa in SAFF Football Academy. And we need to grab it. We need to grab this opportunity. The youngsters need to grab this opportunity and make the most out of it. There were a lot of people who helped me to be where I am today, and I want to now give back this to the younger generations. For me, when I started young at the age of 12, it was not enough. Maybe starting at the age of 6 would have been something better.
I am very proud of him, but still wanted him to play. I wanted him to play, but no, because of some injury he had, and because of that he had to give it away.
The DFFS school that I have started, it's purely my contribution towards back to football. I mean, I've earned my name through football, and today if I'm having a well-settled life, it's only because of football and thanks to football.
He was all over the world, you can say. He even went to Kazakhstan and what all, I don't know. So he has seen the places. No need for him now to go and see places. He has seen it in his younger days.
Today, I have achieved and I've accomplished as a football player. I've achieved all the laurels that I could in Indian football, and I had all the time possible in life to think about giving back to the game through this grassroots program. I was a player who was just picked up from Salgaocar or from the neighboring, from the schools that I played, just as a raw player. The fame definitely came, which I got through the platform that SAFF provided me. Today I run a guest house of my own, and sometimes people get amazed to see that I'm having a own guest house. If you keep yourself disciplined, be motivated and dedicated towards what is your goal, I think success is bound to happen in your life. I want the kids and the younger generation to remember that I did certain things to make future of the grassroots, of the young players, a bright future.